Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use sort by function with VStack. So if you want to learn how to use sort by function with VStack, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see two tables are there: name, employee name, and sales, employee name and sales. So first I want to sort the sales in ascending order, and also I want to combine with these two tables. So we have to use sort by function with VStack. So you will see the tables are combined and also in ascending order. So how to do it? You have to press the equals button, then type sort by. Now after bracket open, again type VStack, then bracket open again. Now here you have to choose this table, comma, this table. Okay, bracket close, comma, again VStack. Now sales, okay, comma, again sales. Now bracket close, comma. Now it will ask for ascending or descending, so I want to arrange it in ascending order. Press 1, bracket close. So now you will see I have used sort by function to arrange in ascending and combine VStack to combine the table. Okay, so like this you can use sort by function with VStack in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.